Okay, magically my audio problems have been solved. I have no idea what was wrong in the last video, and I apologize for the horrible audio quality content. Anyways, moving forwardly, always, we're going to do a little cash out on CryptoTab. We're over here at the CryptoTab browser. If you don't have it, get it. You know I'm putting the link in the description, and you can mine cryptocurrency from the browser that you use, and it syncs up with Google, your Google Chrome dealio, so it's real easy just to log in and then you can start using this browser. But I don't really use this browser too much. I do use it for some particular things. It's nice to have several browsers so you can have multiple accounts and have them open at different times with different browsers in order to hopefully stop them from detecting that you have multiple accounts. Oopsies. Anyway, we're over here, like I said, at CryptoTab. Got $1.83. Bitcoin has been going absolutely wild. Went up to 40,000 over here. Dropped down 34. Go back up to 38.3. Down 35. Now we're sitting at 36. 869.99. Alright, so I got the good word that Bitcoin is going to continue to go up a lot. So we'll keep putting money into Bitcoin, and we'll let it grow. Alrighty. There we are. My wallet's already in there. Feel free to send large amounts of Bitcoin to this address right here. We're going to do the maximum amount. I am not a robot yet. Still. This right here is barely worth it. But if you have like many devices, if you got like a bunch of good desktop computers, it is worth it. But anyway, we're going to withdraw this. These guys usually take a few days. Alright, we're going to go over to the inbox. I'm going to pause the video real quick so I can get in there. Okay, so we are here in the Gmail, and we're going to confirm the withdrawal from CryptoTab. Withdrawal confirmed. Usually takes 1 business day. Oh, okay. Very good. There's the payment history, as you can see. Cashed out 3 times. This is going to be the 4th time right here. And it also has total mined right here, 227. Earned from affiliates. Just a little bit there. Alright, but that's about it for that video. Check out the links in the description so you can download CryptoTab, find some good places to advertise and build up your mining network, and get trained up. Alright, let's do it.